Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I have Asgard RAM CL14 very fast RAM with 3600 MHz, 2 sticks of 8 GB. Let's open it. It comes in this luxury box. This paper tells you about the design. They got the design idea from the piano. And this is the RAM itself. I already used one on my computer. It has a metal mirror-like heatsink with light. Let's open box. It comes with this cleaner, also some gloves you need to wear when you put the RAM, because of some static electricity can damage your computer. Also it comes with this bottle opener or something, I don't know what is it exactly, and some stickers. The 2 sticks of RAM price is $65. You can buy it from AliExpress. The link is in the description. Also some coupon codes are included. With this RAM, expect 5 to 10% more performance power. The CL14 timing is faster than the normal RAMs. Let's check the description here. Before you buy, make sure the RAM is CL14 and not the 16 one. Let's put the RAM on our computer. First of all, you need to remove this plastic part. Then select the right place. If you want to put 2 RAMs and get benefit from the GL mode, you need to choose the first and the third slots. That's depend on your motherboard. Don't forget to check the manuals. First open this and check this hole here and put it in the right place. Push until it click, but don't push hardly. Okay, that's all. Let's turn it on. Overclocking. Turn on your PC and click the delete button until you enter the BIOS. After that, click F7 to go to the advanced mode. Find something similar to AI tweaker. Enable the OCP. It will automatically adjust your frequency to 3600. Scroll down to timing controller and put these values. You can use a tool like timing controller to calculate your timing controller for your specific RAM, but these numbers work fine for me. We stop at TWR. After that, click F10 to save the settings. If you can't find the exact RAM on AliExpress, I will provide second link to a similar one. Just make sure you are buying the CL14 and not CL16 or CL18. This RAM from Growway Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and our Telegram group. I'm reviewing a new product almost every day. The link is in the description with some coupon codes. Use the codes when you check out to get up to $15 discount. Thank you for watching and goodbye.